We will be doing a shorter way or easier way on how to solve for this simultaneous equation. Let's solve for the values of x and y. First, we will be solving for x and we will be using a ratio for this. We will choose a reference point or reference term so that we will know which number will comes first for the numerator and the denominator. It will always be the second term of the second equation. That will be our reference term. Next is we will do a cross multiplication using these values. Since this is our reference term, we will multiply the numerical coefficient of y, which is 2, times 7, so that will be 14. And we will always be using a subtraction operation for this. Minus, we know that this is 1. 1 times 17 is 17. For the denominator, we will be using now the next values, which is this. So we will get this, and we will still be using this as our reference term. Doing the cross multiplication again. So this will be the first number. So 1 times 2, it will become 2. And then multiply this, 3 times 1. So it will be always minus 3. And then solving for this, we have x is equal to 14 minus 17 is we have negative 3. And then 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Thus, we have now a value of 3 for x. Since we already have x, we are going to solve for the value of y. So substitute x is equal to 3 in any of these equations. So I will just choose x plus y is equal to 7. So we have 3 plus y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 3. Thus, we have y is equal to 4. And we got now the values of x and y. Next number. This will be our reference term. So let's multiply. By the way, we're going to solve for x. Let's multiply 4 times 9. We have 36 minus 3 times 4. So that will be 12. Next, 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 3 is 9. So minus 9. So x is equal to 36 minus 12. So that is 24. Over negative 1. So x is equal to negative 24. Since we already have the value for x, you're going to solve now for y. So substitute x is equal to negative 24 in, I will just choose this equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So we have 2 times negative 24 plus 3y is equal to 9. So we have negative 48 plus 3y is equal to 9. 3y is equal to 9 plus 48. So 3y is equal to, we have 57. Divide both sides by 3. Thus, we have, okay, so we have y is equal to 19. Therefore, we have for x, negative 24, and for y, we have 19. Next number. How about if we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 3x plus y is equal to 5? Same process. This will be our reference term. So let's multiply this. Y 1 times 7, it's 7. Negative 3 times 5, we have negative 15, right? But we have minus, so that will become positive. But anyway, I will just write negative 15 there first. And then in here, 2 times 1, so we have 2. And 3 times negative 3, so we have minus negative 9. And solving this further, that will be plus 7 plus 15, so we have 22. Over, we have 11. Thus, x is equal to 2. If x is 2, our y will be, so just substitute. Okay, substitute x is equal to 2 in 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So 2 times 2 minus 3y is equal to 7. So we have 4 minus 3y is equal to 7. So 7 minus 4, so negative 3y is equal to 3. Thus, we have y is equal to negative 1. So we have 2 and negative 1. Next number. All right. So let's multiply this. So y 1 times negative 2, so that is negative 2. And negative 2 times 14, that is minus negative 28. And multiply this. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times negative 2 is, we have negative 6. X is equal to, so that will be 26 over 13. X now is equal to 2. If x is 2, then y, okay, I will just choose 3x plus y is equal to 14. So you can choose any of this equation. Substitute. So that will be 6 plus y is equal to 14. Y is 14 minus 6. Y is equal to 8. And that's the value of our y.